Alright guys, it is my birthday. I just turned 29 years old. Yeah, you know, I gotta vlog the birthday. We've had a crazy week. I got to surf this morning. It was so sick. Super foggy, too foggy to surf. And we got stuff on the grill. Watch out.
I would probably pick some stuff up.
Skewers ring. Alright.
Yeah.
Can you get a little saucer cup?
Yeah,
Alright, it is kind of slow right now, but yeah, yesterday it was like 4 to 5 foot waves. Of course, I did not bring my GoPro because it was really foggy out, so you couldn't see. But today is super fun, probably like 2 foot, slappy, windy, classic summer Rockaway day. Yeah, got a few, nothing crazy, but definitely nice surfing off a little bit of the party last night. It was my 29th. Alright, that's it for my session. Very small, super fun though. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure you hit that like, subscribe button. You know the vibes. Alright guys, that is Rockaway Beach Skate Park, located on Beach 91st Street. I would say the park is about 4 years old. Yeah, great park to practice some of your maneuvers on for surfing and just to cruise around.
Yo, that's that. That's that. Yo, that's that.
Guys, check that out. Crazy rainbow on my birthday. Whoa. Oh, my friends.
They make their own. Micro Center has. I can even like. I'll show you one.
Let's go. Hit that subscribe button for my birthday, man. Check this rainbow out. Look at this plane.
You know what it is, man. Life of time, boiler room. Get your fucking girl, nigga. I lose my noodles.
So this party is sponsored by MAC, and they're giving out free makeup do-overs.
Una,